U.S. equities are falling this morning as yields are rising across the curve, and we're losing that inversion. The 10-year yield is at a 3-year high right now, up 9 basis points from yesterday's settlement at 263 as I speak to you. Also, as I speak to you, I've got the NASDAQ down 2.3%, the Russell down 1.56%, the S&P down 1.25%, and the Dow down about 0.75% across the curve. We have the 2-year yield 3 basis points higher. The 5-year is 5 basis points higher, 274, and the 30-year 9 basis points higher, just like the 10-year at 266. Again, 10-year is at 263, and the yield curve inversion is starting to ebb out of the market. 2 days ago, the 2s10 settled at -1. Today, it's at +9. Same thing with the 2s30s, which was at 5. It's now up at 13. The other two haven't moved quite as much, but still a little bit of the inversion and the flattening come out with a steepening move in the curve. Oil executives are testifying before Congress today. That's something you definitely want to watch. We started out with higher oil prices today. As I speak to you right now, they're down about 0.6%. We've got British Petroleum America, Chevron, and ExxonMobil. The CEOs of those companies will be testifying before Congress on runaway gasoline prices. Now, looking ahead later today, we get Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen, her House testimony, along with Philly Fed President Patrick Harker speaking. And then we get earnings from Levi Strauss, Tilray, RPM International, and Simply Good Foods. And then out of those all-important FOMC minutes, which we'll be watching very closely. Jerome Powell said to watch those minutes, but after the comments by Lael Brainerd over the last couple of days, Esther George yesterday, looks like they might have let the cat out of the bag a little bit. We'll see when we get those minutes today at 1 o'clock Eastern time. Also tomorrow, we get St. Louis Fed President James Bullard, Atlanta Fed President Raphael Bostic, and Chicago Fed President Charles Evans speaking.